Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix battery drain on iOS 17.0.3. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to enable low power mode. So low power mode can improve iOS 17 battery life by reducing power consumption. And after it is enabled, some background activities, automatic updates, and certain visual effects on your iPhone will be restricted. But this method can effectively help you avoid battery draining too fast on iOS 17. So to do that, you can just go ahead and go to the battery settings and locate and toggle on the low power mode. And the next fix is to find out which app are draining unusual battery. So if you suspect that certain apps are causing excessive battery drain on your iOS 17 device, you can follow these steps to identify and manage them. So open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad and then scroll down and tap on the battery and look for the list of apps under the battery usage section and check on how much battery each app has consumed in the last 24 hours. And if you notice any apps that have consumed a significant amount of battery compared to usual, they may be causing the issue. And then that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.